Hey everyone, welcome back into tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to add the location on your Shopify store. So in this I will guide you one of the easiest and step-by-step process to add the location on your Shopify store. Now here you can see the I already opened my official website page of that Shopify store. So inside that you can see the at the left side at down one setting icon is there. So click on that. Yeah, now you can see this type of page. So inside that search for locations. So now you can see here locations is there. So click on that. Yeah, now you can see my active location is showing as India. So if you want to add other location at apart from that, so in that you can see here add location is there. So click on that. Now you have to give your home at that name and all. Here you can give here at the location of name. So after giving that name you can click on done. So it will save here, and after that you can see here address to give that. So inside that you have to fill up all address and all. So in which country you are, you have to select like that. So it will be changes, and you have to give here street and house number, and also if you want to give some additional address also you can give here, and you have to give the postal code and the city where you are, and you have to give your phone number here. After giving all details, now you can the save icon is there, click on that. In this way you can add the other location on your that Shopify store. So you can easily get that location, and also you can sell your product and all everything from here with the help of that location and all. So if you like this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you guys on a next video.